In this video, I will teach you how to control your Wi-Fi, and also someone Wi-Fi without their permission. You can do some more things like who can use your Wi-Fi, how much user can use, which website they can use and which website they cannot use. This video is only for education purpose. If you use for legal purpose, I am not the responsible. First you have to open router setting page. For that, open command prompt in your PC. Run the command prompt as an administrator. Now type the following command and execute. Now you got a default gateway address. Gateway address is an address of Wi-Fi configuration page. Copy the address and paste that address in your browser. Only you can open Wi-Fi configuration file if you connected to that Wi-Fi. Now you have to type username and password of the router. Username and password is default for every router. Admin is the username and password is admin. Note: if the owner of the Wi-Fi changed the username and password, then you cannot able to log in to the page. Now you have successfully opened the Wi-Fi configuration page. Open the parental control page. This is the page where you can control the Wi-Fi. Like who can use, how much can use. Also there is an option called restriction for particular page. If we type certain website name for restriction, then that particular user cannot use that particular website. To check MAC address of the PC, you have to open CMD. Type the following command and press enter. If you are going to restricting your friend device for accessing an internet, you have to check that device MAC address, not your own device. This is the MAC address of this PC. If you want to check MAC address in your Android mobile, open Settings. Open Network and Internet Settings. Open Wi-Fi Settings. In some mobile setting is different, but find the MAC address. This is the MAC address of this mobile device. Open Wi-Fi configuration page. Click on Enable Parental Control. Copy the current MAC address to parent MAC address. It is the address of device that is want to control Wi-Fi access. Save the settings. These are the MAC address of the devices that is connected to this particular Wi-Fi. Now select the MAC address that you want to restrict for accessing the Wi-Fi. You can restrict up to 4 devices at a time for not accessing Wi-Fi. Also you can add when can they use, at which day they can use, and at what time the users can use and at what time users cannot use. All these you can use by clicking here. Also, you can add particular website for a restriction, so that the user cannot use that particular website. In my case, I have taken YouTube. You can select any website you want. Note: you should include www.com. Then click Save. Now you successfully restricted the Wi-Fi connection. In Android mobile, it will show like this. You're connected, but internet is not working. Let us open YouTube and check once. Yes, YouTube is not working. Now we will check browser, that it is working or not. Just type any website and search. If it is not loading, means you don't have an internet to access. Now we will clear all this. After clearing all these, just save. Let's open YouTube, and we will check. Now all the settings are cleared. Now you can see that Wi-Fi is connected, and also have an internet access. Let's open YouTube, and we will check. Yes, now Wi-Fi is working. Note: this video is only for educational purpose. If you try for an illegal purpose, I am not the responsible.